Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're just going to do a little bit of a mini project where we're going to copy passwords from a TXT file into an array. So let's have a look. This is the here is the TXT file, and I should rename it to passwords. And we've got some emails in there, so we're going to copy those into an array. Okay, let's just close that down there. So about this, Felix, you'll have to go down. Sorry about that, everybody. That's Felix the cat. Okay, Felix. Right, let's get started. So I'm going to create a path to my desktop, which is going to be C/users/mark desktop. So this is the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop. You will have to find out your own unique desktop path, or else if you simply type this in, it won't work. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do a subroutine here called copy passwords. Let's just go in a little bit there. Copy passwords. That's the subroutine. So what we're going to do here, we're going to tell the user what we want to do by using print. That's going to be enter file name. So we're telling the user to enter the file name, and then we're going to get the input using chomp and a scalar variable called file name. Assign that to standard input. This will get the input from the user. Right, so basically we've told the user what to do and we've got the input from the user. So now we're going to go on to a conditional to evaluate that information. So if, and we're going to use this E, which means exists, the file name. So if the file name exists that we've typed in, we're going to do something. If it exists, that file name, we're going to open it. So we do that by doing open my scalar file handler here, and we're going to open it for reading. So this is for reading. If we did it the other way around, it would be for writing. So this is for reading here, and the file name we entered into there. If we have a problem with it, we can throw an error using or die, and just a simple error opening. Okay, now once we've opened it, we've got to read through it. So we create a little array called lines here, which will store the info, and we assign it to the scalar file. And now what we're going to do is, if we've got emails in there, we're going to push them into the array. And I didn't create the array, did I? So I'll create the array here, which is going to be called my passwords. So we're just going to create the array there. So if we've got anything, we'll push it into here. So basically push, and we've got passwords, which is the array, and the lines. Okay, and once we've done that, we're going to close the file. Scalar file. and I'm going to create another subroutine called read array. And we're going to come down here, we're going to do an error handler, else if there's no file, we simply print file does not exist. Right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to do a subroutine called read array. So this is going to be the subroutine, and what we're going to do here, we're just going to print passwords in array, and then simply the passwords emails, sorry. Oh, what have I done? Passwords there. I didn't mean passwords, I meant emails. Emails, that's more like it. Simply print emails. And then new line character. Okay. So let's just save that. So we've got the array there that we're going to store the emails in. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask the user to enter a file name, full file name .txt, and then we're going to get the user input by using standard input there. And then we're going to search to see if the file name exists. If the file name exists, we're going to open it, or if we have a problem with that, we can throw an error message here. And then we're going to store all the lines in an array, and we're going to go through it, and if we find any passwords in there, we're going to push them into, and that's not passwords, that should be email. If we find any emails in there, I don't know why I've got a fixation on passwords today. I was doing a password program before, you see, so there we go. So if we find any emails in the lines here, we're going to push them into this array here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to jump down to this subroutine and print out the emails. It should be email. We're going to print them out, or else if we don't find anything, we're just going to print here file doesn't exist. And what we've got to do, we've got to call this. So we take the name of it, should copy passwords, I don't know, copy emails. Copy emails. I've got a thing for passwords today, bear with me. Okay, I'm having a Biden moment. Okay, let's have a look. Copy emails. Okay. Let's run the program. Enter the file name. So what's the file name called? It's called treasure. I should rename that to emails. Let's rename that emails. Okay. So the file name is going to be emails.txt. Hit enter. And there you go, passwords in the array. Now that we've copied into the array, we've got bob@gmail.com, bill@yahoo.com, and steve@hotmail.com. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.